Find a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. As you sit in stillness, imagine yourself sitting on the shore of a vast ocean. The waves gently lap against the sand, creating a soothing rhythm. Take a deep breath in and exhale as you feel the fresh, salty air on your skin. As you gaze out at the water, notice the various shades of blue and green that dance across the surface. Each wave creates a unique pattern, as if it rolls towards you and then gently recedes back into the vastness of the ocean. As you continue to breathe deeply, imagine yourself becoming one with the rhythm of the waves. With each inhale, feel the energy of the ocean washing over you, filling you with vitality and strength. With each exhale, release any tension or stress that you may be holding on to. As you breathe in and out, notice any thoughts or emotions that come up. Simply observe them without judgment and allow them to drift away like a wave. Imagine yourself becoming more and more present and more connected to the energy of the ocean. As you bask in the beauty and power of the ocean, take a moment to express gratitude for this incredible natural wonder. Give thanks for the abundance of life that it supports, and for the gift of being able to witness its majesty. When you feel ready, take a final deep breath in and slowly exhale. Open your eyes, feeling refreshed and invigorated, as if you have been bathed in the healing energy of the ocean.